Let's take a look at the PT2 camera. The quick release bracket makes installation faster and simpler. Just secure the mount, then pop on the camera till you hear a click. Plus, the rugged metal housing is built to withstand the outdoors. With WizColor technology, see vivid color details even in low light. Got a neighbor who loves borrowing your driveway? Perimeter protection alerts you the moment someone enters your zone. And with anti-exposure technology, you'll be able to clearly identify the license plate numbers. Want to cover more than just a parking spot? Preset Patrol acts like a virtual guard, automatically monitoring key areas. Still parked in your spot anyway? Auto Tracking Light tracks humans so you can follow their movements. Time to ask them to move. Politely, of course. Dahua technology, enabling a smarter society and better living.